Let's see question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If the radius of cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Here I am taking a center as O and I am drawing radius. Also I can give name for this hexagon. There are 6 sides, so we can take it as hexagon. A, B, C, D, E and F. Join OB also, OC also, OE and OF. In this figure we got 6 sectors. Suppose if you take OAB, I am taking one of the sector OAB. From OAB sector I will find the area of this design. Then I will multiply by 6 because there are 6 designs. Okay, firstly we will find out the area of one design. How will you find out the area of one design? From area of sector OAB, if we subtract area of triangle OAB, then we will get the area of one design. Then we can multiply by 6 because there are 6 such type of designs. Okay, first let's write the data whatever given in the question. Given radius is equals to 28 centimeter. There are 6 equal designs. So angle at the center theta is equals to, complete angle is 360 degree, so 360 upon 6, that is equals to 60 degree. Therefore area of design is equals to, there are 6 such type of designs, so I am multiplying by 6. 6 multiplied by area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. As we know, area of sector theta by 360 degree multiply by pi r square minus area of triangle, that is r square by 2 sine theta. Now let's put the values. Put the values of theta and radius. 6 multiply, put the values of theta and radius. 6 multiply 60 upon 360 multiply 22 by 7 into r square, that is 28 square, minus 28 square by 2 sine 60 degree. Now if we do the calculations, then we'll get area of sector is equals to 410.66 minus 28 square by 2 sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. In the question given value of root 3 is 1.7, so we can write in place of root 3 1.7, 410.66 minus 28 square by 2 multiply 1.7 by 2. Now again if you do calculation, then we'll get area of triangle is equals to 333.2 centimeter square. Now subtract area of triangle from area of sector, then we will get 77.46 centimeter square. Now multiply by 6, then we'll get area of complete design, that is equals to 464.76 centimeter square. Given cost per 1 centimeter square is equals to rupees 0.35. Therefore total cost of design is equals to rupees 0.35 multiply 464.76, that is equals to rupees 162.66.